Renault has been a bit quiet lately, but make no mistake because the brand has been busy. With the new Duster back on the Indian roads, a lot of people are asking, is that all? Is that all Renault has to offer? Well, the answer is a firm no, because Renault has finally announced its ambitious roadmap and the brand plans to introduce 7 cars by the end of 2030. New cars, new platforms and even new powertrains, everything is in the pipeline. And in this video, we are going to break down everything to tell you what's coming, what's new, what's coming and why it actually matters. But before that, make sure you like and subscribe to CarWale for all the automotive content. Now let's start with the two models that you already know of, the Triber and the Kiger. Now both these models have been around for a while now and even recently they got a facelift. Now the issue with these models is that they are underpinned by an existing but old platform, which is the CMF-A platform. This limits and restricts Renault to try out new configurations and EV powertrains. So whenever the new generations of these models arrive, they will be underpinned by a new platform. This one is called the RGEP, the Renault Group Entry Platform. And this one is going to be a significant switch. The RGEP platform is designed with flexibility at its core, so it supports multiple powertrain options, including something none of Renault's current India models offer, a factory-fitted CNG option. Right now, if you want CNG on your Renault, it's a dealer-level fitment. But on the next-gen models, it will come straight from the factory and more importantly, it could feature a dual-cylinder setup placed under the floor. This means no compromise on boot space or cabin room. And specifically for the Triber, there are two updates that a lot of people have been waiting for. The first one is the introduction of the 1-liter turbo petrol engine that does duty on the Kiger. The 99 bhp motor will finally make it to the Triber along with manual and CVT gearbox, and it will be sold alongside the existing 1-liter naturally aspirated petrol engine. More power for the 7-seater MPV. And the second update is, of course, with the platform comes a dual-cylinder setup, something which most of the rivals offer, and with the new one, as we already said, it will be placed under the floor, not compromising any space in the cabin or even in the boot. Now, if there's one car that could generate a lot of buzz for Renault, that could be the new subcompact SUV that they are calling Bridger concept. Now, a lot of news suggests that the Bridger name could be carried forward even to the production version because it has the typical nomenclature ER at the suffix. Now, what's really different between the Bridger and the low-end models like the Triber and the Kiger? Well, it's the platform. The smaller cars make use of the RGEP, but the Bridger will make use of the bigger RGMP platform. The full form of it is Renault Group Modular Platform and already does duty with the Duster. Now, one thing which is really unique with this RGMP platform is the flexibility to have ICE and also an electric powertrain. And in fact, Bridger is going to be the first car that will debut Renault's 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine and will also be Renault's first electric vehicle for India. That's a big milestone for the brand, and if reports hold up, we could be looking at a launch as early as the beginning of next year. Now, the next one is going to be the third offering that will also be based on the RGMP platform. And this one is for those who want to go big. It's called the Bigster. It's a 3-row SUV which is based and will be positioned above the Renault Duster. It's a 3-row SUV and globally it can be had with ICE, hybrid and electric powertrains. And when it comes to India, we expect all these powertrains to be offered with the Bigster since it's placed at the peak of Renault's lineup. Details are still coming in on this one, but the intent is clear. Renault wants to play in the bigger, more premium SUV space as well. So there you have it, Renault's roadmap for 2030. It's actually more comprehensive than the brand would actually credit for. You've got the Triber and Kiger moving to a new platform with better powertrains and factory-fitted CNG. You've got the Bridger bringing in a new engine and marking Renault's EV debut in India. And sitting at the top, the Bigster, ready to take on the 3-row SUV crowd. Broader segments, multiple powertrain choices, a genuine EV push, and modern platforms to build on. But here's a question I want to leave you with. With Renault refreshing its lineup and taking these steps forward, will they be able to change the perspective that Indian buyers have of the brand? Do let us know your thoughts in the comments below and stay subscribed for everything Renault and everything automotive.